Today, let's talk about a way to check how a mutual fund has really performed. Not just by looking at the usual past returns, but by using something called rolling returns. Sounds technical? Don't worry. I'll break it down nice and easy. How to analyze mutual funds using rolling returns. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You've probably seen mutual funds showing 1 year, 3 year or 5 year returns. But here's the thing. Those are point-to-point returns. They only show what happened between two specific dates, and that can be a bit misleading depending on when you look. It's kind of like checking the weather on one sunny day and saying the whole month was sunny. That's where rolling returns come in. Instead of just checking returns between two dates, rolling returns look at multiple time periods, like the average 3-year return every day for the past 5 years. This gives you a more rounded picture of how the fund has performed across different market conditions. So, how do you use it? Step 1. Go to a mutual fund research website. Step 2. Select the fund and look for the rolling returns section. Step 3. Check how consistent the returns have been over time. A fund with stable rolling returns is often more reliable than one that swings wildly. However, past performance may or may not be sustained in the future. Remember, rolling returns won't tell you if a fund will do well tomorrow, but they can help you understand how it's handled the ups and downs in the past. It's not about chasing the highest return. It's about finding something steady that fits your style. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you've used rolling returns before. See you next time with more investing education. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.